What's up, everybody? Ryan here in beautiful Erie, Pennsylvania. Got a no AC call. Gonna see if we can find something interesting on this. Lugging all my crap across the roof as we speak. And our unit should be right over there. So let's check it out and see if we can find something good to put up on the old YouTube today. How's everybody doing out there? Staying busy? Let me know, leave a comment. Tell me what you've been working on. I believe that is our small carrier unit right there. And it is. Now let's see what we got. It's definitely doing something. I hear condenser fan motors. Yeah, a little bit of warmth coming out of there. Not very hot though. Well, here's what we got. No blower belt and a frozen evaporator coil. So, first things first. Low pressure switch certainly isn't doing its job. Oh yeah, look at that. Lovely. Time to get the old spare out. Yoink, there we go. Yeah, pulley's worn, of course. Well, let's get a belt on there. Let's see if we can, holy smokes. See if we can thaw this thing out. Oh my God, look at that. Should have worn my gloves. Good thing I brought a rag. Oh, greasy rag. Well, the filters are dirty. Anyway. What I'm gonna do is put that blower door back on. I'm gonna open up this return air. We're gonna try to thaw this thing out here. Gonna disable the AC. That way we're just running the blower. Yeah, baby, iceberg. So first stage, maybe the low pressure switch is working. Oh, look at that. It's all knocked over. Weld doesn't look too hot. What in the hell? I'm gonna go ahead and disable AC, get this blower running, see if we can't thaw this sucker out. I wish I would have got that on video. I was running just the blower, all this ice sucked off of the evaporator coil, and it's now on the other side of the squirrel cage. Let me see if I can, I don't know if you can see that or not. But this blower motor smells too. It's been running God knows how long without a belt, just because it has that distinct electrical burn smell. I'd like to get the coil thawed out and at least run it long enough that see if the refrigeration end is working properly. All right, I got all the ice off of there. I got most of the ice off the compressor. Our evaporator is free and clear of any ice. We're definitely gonna write up a blower motor. It's cooking, it stinks, the amp draws high. We're definitely writing up contactors, they're burnt. We're definitely writing up low pressure switches. These particular switches are brazed right in, so this one looks questionable as far as that weld. I might have to throw some soap bubbles on that, but I'm gonna run this, see what the refrigeration pressures look like. We might just write up 2 low pressure switches, 2 high pressure switches, but in this case we don't have to open up the system and do anything to braze in a new one. What we normally do is add swivel tees and add our switches there. I don't really like doing that, but if we don't need to open the system, you really don't have any other options. So all right, everybody, I got it running. We're dumping some heat now, boy. It's cooling. We're gonna write up all the things I mentioned: blower motor, contactors, pressure switch, filters, clean the evaporator coil. I'd like to clean this condenser coil, but this particular mall forbids water on the roof. They will not let you run a hose up here. I've tried. But look at this, I mean, I got a lake up here. I think they've got a major roof problem and don't want more water up here than they have to. But, you know, how do you clean a coil if you don't got no water? Anyway, look at this. Yeah, they're worried about water on the roof. Whatever. Hey man, just do what I can do. We're running about 70 pounds of suction. It's definitely better than it was before I got here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't see any reason to write anything else up. What I found, belt broke, froze up the coil, low pressure switch didn't do its job on stage 2. I'm gonna replace all the pressure switches. So anyway, thanks for watching the videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. You'll know when I got new videos coming out. Leave me a comment. So anyway, from Erie, Pennsylvania, working on this old beast. I'll see you on the next one.